you guys are in the market for a great house, you are not going to want to miss this one. Come see for yourself this Sunday, 1 to 3. Let's go take a quick peek. What'd I tell you? This is a great house, isn't it? You want to come see it for yourself? Come see me Sunday from 1 to 3. We are at 3429 Rolston Road. This is the lake nobody can pronounce anymore, also known as Squaw Lake. It will forever be Squaw Lake, kind of like Pine Knob. Anyways, come see me Sunday, 1 to 3. Check it out for yourself. I will see you guys then.